Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain how to sign up for the TikTok Creativity Program Beta. First, open your web browser. Here, search for TikTok Creativity Program Beta. To be eligible to collect rewards in the program, you must have a US-based account, be at least 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers, and have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. If you are already enrolled in the Creator Fund, you just need to open the TikTok app and tap Profile. Then tap the menu button, then Settings. Here, tap Creator Tools and then Creator Fund. Tap Switch at the bottom of the page. If you join the Creativity Program Beta, you cannot switch back to the Creator Fund. If you're not currently in the original Creator Fund, open the TikTok app and tap Profile. Then tap the menu button, then Settings. Tap Creator Tools and then Creativity Program. You will be notified whether your application is successful within 3 days after you have applied. Creativity Program Beta gives you the potential to earn up to 20 times the amount previously offered by the Creator Fund. TikTok users can now spend 50% of their time on 1-minute plus content, dive into the exciting trend, and captivate their audiences for longer. You can join the ranks of TikTok creators who enjoy 5 times the amount of growth in followers when posting 1-minute plus content. In combination with short-form content, TikTok creators enjoy a significant increase in engagement and discoverability with their longer videos. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.